Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Bitcoin video. Now, at the moment, Bitcoin is working on pumping up to its 50% Fibonacci level that is at a price of around $21,500. Now, I'm using this Fibonacci retracement that goes from our wave one. So the wave one had started at a price of around $17,500, around there, which was the 52-week low of Bitcoin. And then it went up within this wave one that was at a price above $25,000. So we've seen this retracement with Bitcoin. It's come down within a wave two. And I'm saying that wave two has completed, and now we're within this wave three. Now, these are much larger impulses. I'm sure you guys most likely have already watched these videos, and I have to always make sure that I say that just so that everybody that is new watching understands what's going on here. So at the moment, what we have going on is that I'm saying that we've started off with an ABC correction, and now we're working on seeing how things are going to be going from here. Is this going to pump up to that 50% Fibonacci level and take Bitcoin above this price, which is also a key area because we have our moving averages that are within this level. So at the moment, we're working on trying to get over our 100-day moving average, which is right at that price around where we had pumped to on this day. So that's at a price of around $21,175. So we've attempted to get to that level, but then we've seen some resistance. So a good amount of resistance at this particular level. But the nice thing is we are above our 50-day moving average. So if we are able to break through this and break that 50% Fibonacci level, then our 200-day moving average is right there at our top Fibonacci level. So at that price around $25,000, where we really need to be getting to, is very key to see happen. So let's take this on over to our other Bitcoin chart here, and let's turn off some things here. So what we got going on here is we are making that distance from this falling wedge. As you know, we've been within this falling wedge with Bitcoin, and this had come down within 5 waves, and we completed at that 52-week low that we had. That was the beginning of our wave one. So our wave three right now has broken us out of this falling wedge pattern, and it's about time that it did, because it's been 1 year basically since we've been within this falling wedge. So it's finally time to see that Bitcoin is pumping upwards. Now, hopefully this is all going to be confirmed. Some people do think that Bitcoin does have another leg down within this wave two, or even a new bottom that is going to be coming in at some point. So some people are thinking that we haven't completed that wave five yet, and there's still a bit more to come as far as this bear market is going. So far though, none of the technicals say that is going on at the moment. Everything is showing a pump within crypto. So right now we're just saying that we're within that wave three at the moment. Now let's take a look over at our bull market support band, which we're getting very close to being within at this moment. I'm sure within the next update that we have here with the bull market support band will show us that we're working on getting right up inside of that, and hopefully eventually we're going to be on the other side of that. So right now, if we were to be on the other side of that, that would be at a price of around $23,000 to see such. We'll have to see how things do update here as a bull market. As the bull market support band will be coming down a little bit more. So still consider the bear market resistance band at this moment. So now looking at Bitcoin on the hourly chart, we have been consolidating within this wedge here, and this could quite possibly be a bearish pattern here. Just as a heads up, what would work out in our favor if it does happen is if we get a good amount of volume coming in and we're able to pump out of this. But you can see how we are consolidating here, and we are within this trend that is moving upwards. They call it a rising wedge, what this could be. And in this case, if we were to not see enough volume coming in, we could easily just end up falling out of this wedge and falling below that Fibonacci level. There's also the possibility that we do start to see a little bit more volume activity coming in. We either break out of this wedge, or we come down one more time and we don't fall through, and then on that next attempt, we could have a breakout. Those are the possibilities. So I'm here on the hourly chart. So this is something that we're going to see what's going to happen here soon after this is uploaded. So do keep that in mind if you're watching this on the next day. What's going to happen would already be determined. So we really need to be watching the volume activity on how this plays out, because if we get enough, then we can pump through here, or at least come down one more time and then break out. But it's all a matter of how much volume there is to break out of this the way that we need it to. Otherwise, do expect that this could possibly be a bearish wedge that is in the works. So anyways, though, since I did just cover something here in the short term, I'm going to leave it here for now. I'd like to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions about Bitcoin. And where do you guys think that we're going to be seeing Bitcoin going within this next week? Because we do have the FOMC meeting coming up in November. So anyways, with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video coming out right after this. Thank you for watching and listening.